What's up, Tumbler pizza fans? I'm gonna be cooking a spinach and feta pizza today. I've got my oven preheating to 425. My rack is on the bottom, and I'm only gonna be cooking one pizza at a time. I suggest cooking this one for the 25 minutes. It's totally up to you. Let's get it out of the pan and onto our cookie sheet. As you can see, it is hanging over a little bit, but that's okay because as it cooks, it will shrink down. I can also move this around with my handy spatula, making sure that if there's any bubbles that form, you can give it a little pop with the knife. So my oven is ready. Let's get this pizza in. As a rule of thumb, you do not open the oven door. You let your pizza cook for as long as possible. But because you're using a cookie sheet, you do want to check on it at some point. I like to say that as soon as you can start smelling it, then you can take a look. So I'm gonna get this flipped around and back in the oven. This is what your pizza looks like. Now it's time to broil. I like to broil this one for 3 minutes. This is my finished product. I hope you enjoy your finished product. Do you cut yours into triangles or the classic squares from Tumblers Pizza? Cheers to Tumblers Pizza. Sauce is boss.